Hey everyone, my name is Julia and I do hand-stitched jeans. These are a pair of Crust punk jeans that I just completed and I'm getting ready to send out to the customer. Now you can order your own Crust punk jeans by sending me your pants as well as the patches that you want sewn on there, and I will sew them on with the white thread or really any color you want. I might add some additional things. This is removable. You can actually place these anywhere on the jeans. But you can see I've done my hand stitching there on each of these patches. And these, you get, sometimes I'll do some studs, just bolt that patch right down there. And really you can consider this a starter pair. And what you do from here is just add your own patches. Let me show you the other side. Then there's the back. A lot of times I'll do, you see the X's there and the crosses, just random patchwork. Even this patch on the pocket's still open and usable. And depending on how many patches you want me to stitch on there will determine the price. So again, these are Crust punk jeans that you can order at the store California Patchwork on Etsy.com. So you can go to Etsy.com/store/California Patchwork and order your Crust punk jeans. Please put any information I need to know in the invoice notes, and you'll find a listing in that store for custom Crust punk jeans. I am a traveler, and so you'll be sending them to whatever general delivery address I'm at the time. If that makes you uncomfortable, then just don't order them. I am a long-time Etsy store owner. I actually have 2 stores. If you want to buy some cool hats, you can go to Good Vibe Hats. But I've been on Etsy for well over 10 years with an excellent feedback rating. Etsy.com is a very secure site as well. So yeah. I also offer a lot of other kinds of patchwork, hippie patchwork pants, and so on. But whatever you're envisioning, we can come up with something for you. So go check it out today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks.